By now, I hope you have installed Unity 3D in your system. Let's start Unity 3D. As you can see, the first screen comes up. Here we have projects, learn option. Now if you click the learn option, you can see basic tutorials which are provided by Unity. If you click tutorial project, you can see the various projects you can make by these tutorials. In the resource option, we have various assets, particle packs, vehicle tools and others. In the link option, we have all the various blogs about Unity and various tutorials. Now if you click the project, you will see the various projects you have created with Unity 3D. As we have just downloaded the project panel, just showing default new Unity project. Okay, so next what you're gonna do is click my account and sign up. After signing up, click the new option. Give any name to your project. Select desired location you want to save it. Make sure your template option. You have to check 3D. Click the create project. It may take some time at first. Now this is our Unity 3D platform. We have scene, game, asset store from where we can download various assets. In the scene section, we create our game. Let's explore and learn the basic understanding of Unity 3D. Click File. Here we have list of options available. Here in the project panel, where all the model, material and assets along with packages are added. In console panel, we have clear, collapse, errors. You'll understand everything once we start our course. Now let's add a cube. Go to the game object, click 3D object, select cube. On the right hand side, we have the inspector panel. These are the directional arrows. As soon as you hover your mouse over any direction, it will turn yellow. Click any direction, move it. Look at the position. This tool is named as Move tool, which helps us in moving the cube in position like X, Y and Z. Next is the Scale tool, which is used for scaling the material in all the three directions, that is X, Y and Z. You can visit the inspector panel and see everything that like rotation in X, Y and Z. Next we have the Rect tool, which helps in aligning the material in rectangular manner. This is the newly added and one of my favorite, which helps you to move, rotate or scale the selected object. Now if you click game, you will see the game view. This is how the user will see. Click the scene and then go to the game object. Click align with view. If you click the main camera, this will align the view according to your camera. Don't worry if you are not able to understand everything at first. Just don't give up and try to explore. If I just zoom in more and align it with my main camera, you can see how camera preview changes. Now coming back to the asset store. To open asset store, internet is must. You will find all the assets needed. Some are paid, some are free. We will be using the free assets available in the store. Thank you for everyone. See you in the next class.